Best unboxing game ever!
The 3B Kids of Texas!
Now it's time for my color reveal Barbie. First, I'm going to show you how to play the game. Then, I'm going to show you the color reveal. There are tons of surprises. I'm going to take this and undo it. Slipped out of my hands. And once you put it on this deal, it'll look like this. And since it's a game, you have to spin this. And if you've already used up all the colors, you have to spin it again. Ooh, a dress for a Barbie. It's sparkly. Oh, it's a little kitten. You can put your white there.
Several hours later.
Now it's time for the Barbie color reveal. Let's go get some hot water. I want to show you what the dolls look like before we stick them in the hot water. They start out gray with stars all over them, as you can see. And this one is a bigger doll, and she has the biggest dress. And now we fill this up with hot water up to this line. After we reveal the dolls, we're gonna reveal the pets.
Let's give her a little swirl. Do you see how her hair is changing?
I'm gonna get them dressed for the party.